Time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. Said, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me,
you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but
you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone, I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. It used to be so simple. Haven't got a clue as to why the world is filled with lies. But then again, we're sinful, 'cause we keep the truth to ourselves. Maybe we're hypnotized. This is life. I've been living. Shit's too serious, but I can't abandon this. I've been living, but I can't abandon it. With our eyes wide open, we won't miss a thing that you're doing. You better watch what you keep from us before it's too late to go back. Our economy is broken. We shouldn't have to kill ourselves to serve someone else. This is life. I've been
Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself.
Hey guys, thank you for making it to the end of the video. So this was the template for the Falchion Knife from CSGO. I'd say this is probably one of the most complicated knife I've ever done due to the clicking mechanism, which I'm pretty sure should work. And from the template, basically you press down the ping and that should release a blade, which allows it to be able to fold backing. And yeah, from the template, the top section is the blade, which should be around 1 layer of hardened paper, and the bottom section should be 5 times the thickness of whatever you use for the top section. And yeah, I think that's most of it explained in a nutshell. As usual, 100 likes and I will make a tutorial. Comment below for other things you want to see, and make sure you share it as well. Come to my Discord if you have any questions, or just comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Relationships are never meant to last.